Man, already. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, man. Man, I don't feel like getting up. 5 more minutes. Another day. Let me get on up, man. Find me some more.
When I woke you after keeping me through the night, you rolled out of bed, then yonder stretch your arms out wide. Now realizing that the air you breathe is mine, and that I'm granting you another day of life. You go to your closet and it seems there's nothing to wear. It's like you're in a trance, cause all you do is sit and stare. And after coordinating your shoes to match your shirt, I'm waiting on you to talk to me. Maybe on the way to work. Now do you really love to just get in your car and turn on your radio and listen to songs that don't reflect who you are and me? Then you call a friend and complain how much you hate your job, the same job that was an answered prayer from me. Third day being late and your boss is forced to say something to you. Instead of saying I'm wrong, you're quick to cop an attitude. How does that make me look when you say I live inside of you? On Sunday you call me Lord. During the week you just do what you wanna do. Now do you really love me? I created you for you to worship me. Now do you really love me? I gave my life for you. Would you give your life to me? Now do you really love me? You're so valuable, I wish that you would see I'm so in love with you. As the day goes by, I need to talk to you. There's a few trials ahead I can't help you avoid. On your way home from work, I thought you'd say hello, but you did the same thing and turned on your radio. I tried to speak to you, but the noise was just too loud. Plus you were singing with the songs you love so much. I wish you would sing to me with the same amount of zeal, but I guess my songs don't have the same appeal. But when you got home by now, I know you should miss me, but you just sat down in your favorite spot and watched TV. Then after a while you head to the fridge for a bite to eat. I am the bread of life. You'll starve without me, and you wonder why it seems that you don't grow. I left my world